All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you guys to smash that like button. And if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and be up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. Now, RDBX has been consolidating at a key support level, right? We talked about it yesterday. We've talked about in the previous videos how RDBX stock, Redbox Entertainment Inc. is at key support levels. Now, I know a lot of people keep bringing up in the comments section, well, what about that merger? Well, that is something that you want to be aware of. It is a risk, right? These key levels where we're at, if this does not short squeeze, well, things could go lower from here, especially how the merger price is less than $1, right? If you guys want to write down below how much it is, comment down below if you know already. I know it's less than $1, but I don't have the exact number at the top of my head. I have to pull up the documents, and I don't have that on the screen right now. But I would love for you guys to comment down below how you feel about this. Do you think this is going to short squeeze again before that happens, or the merger is going to hurt the momentum? But we've also talked about, apart from these support levels, how important the options chain was to how fast things ramped up, because gamma squeezes come from options chains. So if options chains have been removed, the gamma squeezes have been removed as well. And gamma squeezes and short squeezes go hand in hand. I've been clarifying that so everyone is aware of it. We've looked at different articles together and different portions of articles stating how this is important, because a lot of investors at the first video, once they started to fall, and the buy button, I called it, the buy button has been removed from the options chain. I didn't mean it from the total shares, right? You could still buy shares, but from the options chain, it was affecting the possibility of any further squeeze, or actually being one of the variables, right? It's not the only way a stock squeezes, but one of the variables that adds to the buying pressure, and that's been removed. And here we are at $9.45, give or take, right? So we're going to talk about some key levels here, but before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. You'll be connected to a community of investors that are all looking to learn and grow together, as well as get connected to the edge and clarity that we receive with 42 Vision and the bots. So the home run of the day was spectacular, and these were the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was TBLT. And as you could see here in the chart, it was consolidating towards the bell. On 42 Vision, it got a bull indicator, and it transitioned into full strength, giving a highest point of possibility of 30% plus within minutes, guys. Not only did we have a home run from the stocks we caught this morning in the pre-market, but also our QQQ bot sent out a bull indicator since 7:06 a.m. and from that moment forward into the bell and after the bell, the QQQ continued with strength, giving a highest point of possibility on call options of 200% plus on the day, guys. If you guys want to receive this edge and clarity and also know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, once again, check out that link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with RDBX, Redbox Entertainment Inc. And as we stated, sitting sideways and at key support levels. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our bots and our newly released bots such as the Tesla bot and Apple bot. We have our Spy bot, QQQ bot, and many more. And you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction. So here we are with RDBX. Again, it's actually under a bull indicator, trying to hold itself up above that support. I stated if it did not fall below 928, it could try to hold some strength. But right now, even though that bull indicator popped up yesterday and went up to highs here of 1024, it came back down And if it breaks through the lows of the day today, it's going to be very important to watch, which was $9.08. And if it goes below that, the next level will be down here at $8.70. We've talked about this in yesterday's video. And it's important to realize that on the 4-hour, it's still under a bear indicator. Since way up here at 15.29, we still have red bars. And on the 1-day, you could see that bear indicator and continuation of red bars. And we've been covering and talking about this through the volatility from way down here at $9 back up to 13. I stated if no bull indicator popped up, that bear indicator was going to dominate the bigger picture. And here we are pulling downwards. And in the 30-minute, yes, we have a bull indicator right now. It cancels out this bear indicator, but it's coming right back towards it. And it's literally fighting to hold itself above it, right? As you could see right there where that bull indicator popped up around the 920s, and the lows today were between 910 and 920s, as you could see. Now, if this actually turns out to be real strength, we need to see how this is going to react to the upside. We need it to break through key resistance levels. The first one is the highs of the day in the pre-market and towards the end of the day of 975, and the highs from yesterday here of 1020, and those were the highs right after the bell. Now, if it breaks above 1020, the next resistance level is back up here towards $11.60. Those are the key levels right now based off the chart to the upside and downside. Again, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. If you can recall how much the merger is actual purchase price for Chicken Soup for the Soul, that is actually a very interesting name for a company. But what is it, the purchase price that they're going to buy it for? Because I recall it being below $1. I know a lot of people are bringing that up, and it is important to realize that yes, that risk is there, and the short squeeze, the possibilities are always there. Nothing's impossible, but without the options chain, gamma squeeze has been removed, and gamma squeezes and short squeezes work together to make things move this fast, right? That's why things have not moved as quickly as they did before. Also, the prices are a lot higher than when the squeeze started way down here. So super important to keep that in mind. Again, I look forward to seeing your guys' thoughts down below. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinions and perspective alone on the charts. And we use 42 vision with the confirmations of the bull and bear indicators, as well as the transitions that 42 vision brings us, right? Every single time we hit dip areas, which is called white with red borders, and then the bright green is the rip area, plus a confirmation of a bull indicator, there tends to be a reversal. Some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others. As you could see, the one down here that lasted literally all the way up to this point, because once it hits white with red borders and goes back up to bright green, the in-between is volatility, but never going back down to the dip area and focusing to the upside to the rip area, plus those confirmation of those bull indicators and short-lived bear indicators. There was a lot more strength in that chart, and that's what 42 vision allows us to see, right? The dips from the rips, the weakness and the strength within the charts in both directions. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.